Welcome back to my YouTube channel UK Bitcoin. Today my topic is top top 5 and the best crypto exchange in the UK. A crypto exchange is an online platform where user can trade cryptocurrencies unlike traditional stock exchanges. Crypto exchange operate 24 over 7, providing a global market for buying, selling and trading a wide variety of digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and many others. Understanding crypto exchange. To get started, it's essential to understand what a crypto exchange is and how it operates. Essentially, these platforms facilitate the trading of cryptocurrency for other assets, including digital and fiat currencies. The basics mechanism involves matching by order from those looking to purchase cryptocurrencies with sell order from those looking to sell. This process is similar to traditional stock trading, but instead of trading stocks, you are trading digital tokens or coins. Types of crypto exchange. Number one, centralized exchange CEX. These are most common types operated by a company that acts as intermediary between buyers and sellers. Example includes Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. They offer user-friendly interfaces, a wide range of future and high liquidity. Number two, decentralized exchange DEX. The, these operate with a central authority, offering direct peer-to-peer trading. They provide enhanced privacy and security, but usually have lower liquidity and fewer features. Example includes Unswap and SushiSwap. Key features of cryptocurrencies. Number one, trading pairs. These are combinations of coins that can be traded for each other. For example, BTC USD is a trading pair where you can trade Bitcoin for US dollars. Liquidity. This refers to the ability of the exchange to enable transactions without significantly affecting the market price of a currency. High liquidity means easier and faster transactions. Security measures. Given the digital nature of cryptocurrency, exchanges implement various security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, offline storage of assets, and encryption technologies to protect user funds and data. At the end, fees. Exchange charge exchange charge fee of various transactions, including trading, withdrawing, and sometime depositing funds. These fees uh, vary between platforms. Top 5 best crypto exchange in the UK. Crypto exchange in the UK had a few standout players known for their reliability, range of services, and the compliance with regulatory standards. However, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and the status of exchange can change quickly. Always do your diligence and ensure the exchange you choose meet your specific needs and adheres to the latest regulation. Here the top 5 cryptocurrency exchange that we popular in the UK. Number 1, Coinbase. Coinbase began its journey in June 2012. It has since become a leading name in the crypto exchange world. Its user-friendly platform attracts both beginner and experienced traders. Features. As of Number 1, as of use. Combine stand out for its straightforward intuitive interference. This make it ideal for newcomers to the crypto space. Number 2, range of cryptocurrencies. It offers a diverse array of cryptocurrencies. User can trade popular emerging digital currencies. Number 3, educational resources. Coinbase provides comprehensive education content. This helps users understand the complexity of crypto trade. Our topic has been ended. We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you for listening.